Hey everyone, Brandon Nelson, and in 1 minute, I'm gonna show you how to tie the taut-line hitch. First of all, shout out to my buddy Ken Katz, who reminded me of this awesome knot. If you've ever said, I wish I could just pull a line tight and have it stay tight on its own, that's the taut-line knot. The taut-line knot has a million uses, including just rigging a simple clothesline or rigging a tarp. To start, we just fastened one end of the line to this pole with a GE hitch, and I'm just gonna come around this pole. Now I've got my working end and my standing end. I have my working end, I'm gonna cross it over the top of the standing end, and then I go 1, 2, 3 twists around the standing end, so it looks just like that. Then I'm gonna come outside and do a half hitch around the standing end, pull it in, and that's it. That is the knot right there. Now watch what I do with it. I'm gonna hold that knot in this hand and I'm gonna pull it along the standing end until it's as tight as I want it, then let it go and it holds that tension. Okay, one more time. I just grab that knot, slide it along the standing end, and it holds tension. Pull it back along the standing end and I can loosen it. For this video, I'm using 1/4 inch braided nylon. It's pretty slippery rope. That's why I was doing 3 turns around the standing end. With other ropes, you can get away with 2 turns, or you can do 4 or 5. The knot works the same no matter what. This has been Brandon Nelson for 1 minute. I'll see you next time.